Hello, Just Jax here and welcome to my channel. I have become obsessed with the paw, as you can see. I've become so obsessed with the paw that I gave up putting clean bits of paper down for a new take. I have some paints to use. I don't have to use them up, but I'm enjoying this so much. I've had a look around the house and see what I could pour paint on. I have around about 200 ducks to play with. So I found the palest one that I had, which was a baseball duck, hence the little red stitching. And I am going to pour paint all over him. See what we get. I've put him on a little stand so I can rotate him. I'm expecting it to pool in there, so I'm prepared to give him a little tilt. And then I will shift him to the drying station, which I've now got two. So I'm hoping I don't bump into either one of them. One I'm quite sure I won't, is tucked away. The other one, I might. So fingers crossed. Let's get pouring. Now, I'm just going to, from experience, like trial and error, pick 3 colours to work with and keep it to just that. Now, I have over here the tiniest bit of purple in this cup. So I think we will go pink, black, gold. Well, we'll start pink since there's purple in there. Let's just do it. Now, I will try not to get his beak, but if we do, well, then he's going to get poured all over. And his eyes are probably going to get covered, so I'll repaint those on later. Just a little bit of black. And some gold. Okay, let's do this. I'm thinking because of his shape. Oh, his beak's getting plunged too. The whole thing's getting done. He won't be too hard to cover. Now, I'm just going to use the brush to try and encourage it to fall over the bits that it hasn't fallen over. I might have to put a little bit more just to get this side, because it's a big mess down the bottom here, and I'm likely to make the rest of him a big mess. In an attempt to close some of these gaps. Oh, I know he has got a bit pooling in there. And his beak's not completely covered. towards his bottom. Oh, his eyes starting to shine through, so I might not have to do anything about that. Oh, I don't want to push him off, or he'll go face first. Oh, I think we're okay, actually. Yeah, I think we're okay. He seems to all be covered. Oh, apart from there. So I don't mind about it, you know, not going all the way under, as long as no white can be seen from up here or under there. Alright. I don't know how well, so I've never tried coating a duck before. Hopefully it'll coat. I mean, it looks like it is, right? Well, I'll find out in 24 hours' time. You'll find out in a second. Well, poor duck. Poor paint poor, because he sounds, whenever I've been calling him poor duck, as far as, like, you know, naming videos for editing purposes goes, but it sounds like I'm saying, oh, poor duck. Our paint poor duck is done. Now, I've learned some things from this. I've been doing different surfaces. This paint loves ceramic. This paint really loves wood. Now, I don't know whether these have all gone up yet or not, but you'll see them if they haven't. It doesn't mind a rubber duck, but I had to keep eyeballing him. Now, when I first poured him, let's bring him in closer so you can see, his whole face was totally covered, and it is still, it's not white anymore. But I don't need to repaint his eyes because they have come through. Now, pretty much all of him took the paint fine, apart from under the neck here. For some reason, it kept separating. It didn't want to stick, so I had to keep, like, every half an hour until it really started to dry, getting in there and pushing it back up a little bit. So it did take in the end. I'll bring him right in there so we can see him. So it did take in the end. There's no white under that neck. So I've learned that much. And I don't think it's wholly the rubber of the rubber duck. For whatever reason, it was that particular... I mean, I don't know. I'm guessing this gets covered in a mould release when it's being made. I don't know. I don't know enough about mass-produced rubber ducks. Because, like I say, everywhere else was okay apart from under there. So I don't know if, like... Well, if I try this again, which obviously I will at some point, give the ducks a thorough wash and a scrubbing first, see if that makes a difference. But yeah, he's pretty cool. I like him. Oops. I've had to stand him on something, one of my many containers of slime, because he'd just get lost down there. He's so diddy compared to all of this. Well, let me know what you think. Do you think that was A success. I can't speak today. I'm falling over my own tongue. I think it was. It still worked, even if I had to go in there and like give it a little peek. There's a peeking duck. Ha ha. It still worked. It was still fun, and I'm still going to find, well, I have lots of things to pour upon. I am going to do some pour canvases because I have got everything that I need to do pour canvases, including silicone oil, so I can get those. My brain's gone dead. Not only oh my days. Not only am I slipping over my tongue, I also can't think. It's to make the pockets. You know what? It'll come to me when I finish recording, but it'll be too late at that point. Everyone out there who does paint pouring with silicone oil, you know exactly what I'm on about. It gives you the little, it breaks it down into the little molecules. That's not the word for it. It does that thing where you get dots. Really cool. Well, thank you so much for stopping by and checking me and my channel out. I hope this is giving you some ideas, some fun things to pour upon. Like if you like what you see, comment if you got something to say, and subscribe if you really like what you see and you want to see more. Thank you all again so much. Take care and see you in the next one.